How to start a digital marketing agency. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how you're going to start a digital marketing agency. Now I'm not going to take a lot of your time by telling you very relevant things. I'm going to get straight to the point with the details. So there's a few things that you're going to need to, decide before starting a digital marketing agency. Now to start things off, first of all, everything needs to start off with a niche. Okay, you're going to start what type of digital media will you be marketing? Okay, there's a lot of niches. You can also search up digital marketing niches, and they're going to give you so many niches. So there's social media, contents, there's e-commerce, web development, email marketing, mobile marketing, influencer marketing, anything you want, it's available over here. So first of all, you're going to choose your niche. What niche is best for you. So the best type of three niches right now are obviously social media, e-commerce, and email marketing. So in this video's case, let's say I'm going to go with email marketing. Okay, what is email marketing? Act of sending a commercial message typically to a group of people using emails in it, right? Now, what kind of softwares do you use for this? So digital marketing can't be done without software. So once you've chosen a niche, you're going to take the niche for that software. So let's say in my case, if it's email marketing, the best email marketing software out there is MailChimp, in my opinion. So obviously, we can come over to MailChimp right here, and you can start working with your MailChimp. Okay, because your email marketing can be done without a software, and your digital marketing can be done without a niche. Now, once you've decided these two things, from there, the third step is how you're going to get clients for digital marketing agencies. So you're going to do a lot of cold mails and a lot of cold work at first to actually get clients. Obviously, you're going to start off with less people. You're going to go to higher people. And obviously, you're going to want a lot of investment in this because a digital marketing agency just doesn't start like that. So you're going to need hosting, you're going to need domains. Once you get that, you're going to need a lot of people. You're going to need people to work with because an agency is an enterprise, and to work with an enterprise, you need a lot of people. So yeah, that's the general idea of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.